When sodium is heated and placed in a jar of chlorine, it burns with a bright flame. The result is a white solid, called sodium chloride. It is formed from atoms of sodium and chlorine chemically combined, so it is a compound. Compound is formed when atoms of different elements chemically combine together. The reaction can be described by a word equation like this. The plus sign means reacts with, and the arrow means to form. Most elements react to form compounds. For example, lithium and chlorine react together to form lithium chloride. And hydrogen reacts with chlorine, hydrogen chloride is formed. The noble gases do not usually form compounds. They are different from other elements in that they do not usually form compounds. So their atoms are described as unreactive or stable. They are stable because their outer electron shells are full. A full outer shell makes an atom stable. For example, outer shell of helium atom is full with 2 electrons. And neon and argon atoms have 8 electrons in their outermost shell and are therefore stable atoms. Only the noble gas atoms have full outer shells. The atoms of all other elements have incomplete outer shells, that is why they react. By reacting with each other, atoms can obtain full outer shells and so become stable. For example, sodium atom has just 1 electron in its outer shell. It can obtain a full outer shell by losing this electron to another atom. It becomes a sodium ion. Similarly, chlorine atom has 7 electrons in its outer shell. It can obtain a full outer shell by gaining 1 electron from other atom. And it becomes a chloride ion. An ion is a charged particle. It is charged because it contains an unequal number of protons and electrons. The sodium ion has 11 protons but only 10 electrons, so it has a charge of +1. So it is positive ion. The chloride ion has 17 protons and number of electrons is 18, so it has a charge of -1. So it is negative ion.